Becky McCabe. I'll be your host today as we discuss History Standard 2 of the Delaware Social Studies Standards. This standard deals with the building blocks of history, the documents and artifacts that historians rely upon to systematically investigate and construct the story of the past. Ultimately, the historian ranks the different sources in terms of their credibility and usefulness to the specific argument he or she is making. One obstacle in this task is the key question, what documents and artifacts are available? We're in a vault at the Delaware Public Archives. History Standard 2 states, students will gather, examine, and analyze historical data. There are two benchmarks, also known as end-of-cluster expectations, at the 4 to 5 level. The first benchmark at this level requires students to identify sources as primary or secondary and to differentiate between them. This second benchmark states, students will examine historical materials relating to a particular region, society, or theme, chronologically arrange them, and analyze change over time. An essential question that will help teachers and students uncover the meaning of the benchmark is, how should historical sources be used to look for change? Students are now expected to be able to arrange sources chronologically and to explain change over time. What changed? What did not change? Why? How do you know? What patterns are there? What links the documents together? Historical sources can be arranged in many different ways. This standard asks students to become familiar with using a particular region, society, or theme as an organizing scheme to explain change. Students will trace an idea or activity over a long period and then explain why changes took place. Look at pictures of schools built in Delaware over a long period of time. How can you tell which was most recently built? Well, the size of the school is a factor. The cost of building a school is another. Changing activities in a school are another factor. Years ago, there were no gym classes, no sports, no driver's education. If an addition was ever added to your school, have the students analyze why it was built. Another good topic to examine is transportation. Look at pictures of different methods of transportation. What changed? Why? How do you explain the changes illustrated by the documents? Through this method of analyzing documents, students will see how historical accounts and chronologies are constructed using available primary and secondary sources. I hope this discussion has given you a clearer understanding of History Standard 2 and the use of primary sources. Thanks for watching and good luck in your classroom this year.